and Muggles is here today to show you what I grew in my garden and how I'm harvesting it. Let's get started. First, I grew one red onion. The other red onions did not grow. Then I grew some yellow onions in this area. Next, I grew some carrots. They're all in a bunch, but some are back there and on the side. I grew some cucumbers, but they did not develop well. And I grew some lettuce with a carrot seed developed with the lettuce. So, I don't know who spread it, but it got pushed to the lettuce. And last but not least, in the far back is some corn salad. They are really tiny, and they're separated very well. First, I'm going to dig out my carrots. These carrots are baby carrots. They're really small, and they grew close together. But there are two. So I'm going to hand them over to my grandmother, and she's going to wash them and cut the top off of them. Next, I'm gonna harvest out another set of carrots that are not in the big bunch. So far, it looks like this carrot is ginormous. This carrot is a really big, fat carrot. As you can see, this is a very big carrot.
Okay, we'll just put that down and just keep going. I'll pull it all at the end.
Right next to it, there is another carrot. That is fat, but short. And there's another one that's long and skinny. Moving on from the carrots, we're going into the big carrot pile. First, I'll start right here. Moving into the middle. another big, fat, but short carrot. And this is a whole group of carrots. One is not that fat, but kind of short. Another one is short and not that skinny though. Another one is not that fat either, but almost short. And these are baby carrots. They are really small and skinny. Such as this one. This one is a medium one, but it has a little curve to it. This one formed not that well.
They're all baby, so let's just put all the babies over there.
This one is a dark orange, darker than the other ones that we've seen. Here's some more babies. And I see a ginormous one right here. Big, fat, but short. And here's the smallest baby of all. Here are some more. This one's taller, but kind of fat. These are normal size, and some are big. Great thing is these.
Yes, you do. Okay.
Normal size too.
I'm not taking the dirt off. Here. There we go.
I still have some more carrots left, and as I can see, I see some two big ones planted close together, as well as another one. This one's chubby but short. This one's long but fat.
That's the biggest one.
Yep. Here's a skinny one too. 3 in a row. Same formation. This one, little too. Same as this one.
You're digging.
And this one. Almost beats the smallest one we've seen. And this one's skinny, but long. There's this one. And I guess that's all for the carrots. Except when we get near the lettuce, one that has grown with the lettuce. This is skinny and medium size. So now we're finished with the carrots, which my grandma will collect. Wash them off the top. Now we're moving on to the lettuce.